Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to dial phone number on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to put a call through to anyone or dial a number on your Apple Watch, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to dial a number on your Apple Watch, either Apple Watch Series or Apple Watch Ultra, all you need to do is go ahead and press the two crown ones to exit the watch face. Once you press that, locate and click on the phone app. Then you should see the phone app opens. Once the phone app opens, go ahead and click on the option at the top left representing the dial option. Then you should see the number pops. On the number page on your Apple Watch, you can now go ahead, type in the phone number you want to put a call through to. You can start with the country code or start with the number straight. Then click on the dial button. So once you click on the dial button, this is going to call the contact, and if the number is not correct, just use the power button to delete the number. And then click on the phone button, and then you are good. You see that? So that is exactly how to dial a number on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.